And we just go with the bubble wrap paper like so, and like so in here. All right, and that's what we have. Silhouette of a doll. Hello, this is Maria here. I'm back because I need to finish one of the pages I start in this Celebrate journal. And I want to show you once again that I made this for my cover, and I add this to the spine of my journal. This is a twig or a little branch that I use to decorate and to have embellished the spine of my journal. So I have here a lot of pages already, but I am working exactly in the one with the roses here. I love it, and I also came with this. Lace is kind of related with the flowers and the romantic touch of things. It's a teal wheel, and if you see it from the other side, you can see that you have 4 different patterns of stencils. So as I have these roses here, I'm gonna go with this pattern that looks like a little leaves or something in a spiral way. So I need to decide what color do I want to use for this pattern. So pink or probably some cream or skin color. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna start from the upper part, and I'm just gonna go with the pink and see what it looks like. And it's super plain, so I'm gonna be using more than just pink. I'm just gonna go with the skin color and a little bit of pink. So once in a while you pick one of that, one of the other. And remember that you can use a sponge, you can use a soft brush like this one. This is big, so that means that I can finish faster, I can have more surface of action. It all depends on what you have at home and the results you want to achieve. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect, and we're going to do something really nice with this here. Already. Wow, look at that. I like it. It's really cute. And I'm just gonna flip this and just go with the brush like so, so I can have like the same but in a light color. Probably I don't want it too hard or too strong like the first one up there. So I'm just gonna kind of clean the brush down here. This is what we have so far, and I am using acrylic paint. This is sun kissed, and this is light pink. So these are the acrylic I'm using, and this is a soft brush, and that's 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters. I'm gonna do some pink on top of that music here. I like the music there, but I'm just gonna probably try to do it very light so you can still see the notes, and I love the results. So it can go like that. I am going to cut from this petal here all the way down here because I want to have it probably on the edges of the page so I can know where this amazing page is, or probably here, like to embellish that page. Need to look for inspiration around here, and I really don't have any ideas, but I can try with you and camera. So we've been using a lot of these things, and I really want to do something different. So what about having some frames? Because this is all about roses and being romantic. So what about that? But probably we're gonna break the formality or the expectations with animals. What about having probably this hedgehog, or it matches with the colors? I'm not sure about this fish, or probably something with pink. Let me see if I have something pinkish around here. This Voluga is super nice too. And let me see what else we have. That is also fine. No, I decided I want to do it with the Hedgehog. A good one, or probably a rectangle here. But we can always measure and see if we have the results we're needing or we're waiting for. I guess that this is cute, but I need something like more contrasting. Probably I can do something with the frame. I'm having problems attaching the lace here, so let me come with an idea, and that's going to be washi tape. And to make sure that this is not gonna be moving anywhere, I'm just going to add some glue to my washi tape and glue it on the back of the page. We said that we're gonna be using this dark frame. Yeah, I'm gonna have it right here. Or the gold. What do you say? I think I'm gonna go with the gold. And here in the back, I need to have something about nature. I really want this to be coming out or sticking out of the frame, so I need to do the same. You can do this with the craft knife too, but I'm gonna do it just with my scissors because I guess it's faster and I don't need to move everything on top of my table. I'm just gonna go like so. And as you can see, it's super easy. I hope you get inspired, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel. So that's the whole thing, and I really love this one. It's a lot better and it's more happy, you know. That was kind of a very dark one. Also here I want to add some vegetation, so I can go with this, and that's going to be the perfect frame. What do you think? I hope I can keep it just like the way it is. I don't want this to be moved at all because I like the result. So I need to go here and probably keep it everything on place and glue this. Ooh, I'm in love with what I'm seeing now. But when there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I feel. In any case, if you move it really fast, you're gonna be able to change the composition of your collage. So you need to act very fast in order to change something that you don't like. Because once the glue is dry, it's gonna be super hard and mostly impossible to move this around. So this is what I'm having. I guess this is the perfect spot out of the frame. This is what we have. It's really cute. I love it. And I'm gonna come with probably a tiny bit of yellow that I have here, and I can pour the paint. And I need a thin brush in order to do some splashes around here, or some yellow paints, like a tiny bit, only a tiny bit. And probably in here also, just a tiny bit. We can always go with some splatters around here. With this bubble wrap paper, I want to place some yellow on top, and then I'm gonna come and put it on my paper. I'm gonna use a thicker brush, so it's gonna be easier to place all the paint around here. And this is going to be super fun, nice. And here we go. So you make sure that you have enough paint, and we just go with the bubble wrap paper like so, and like so in here. All right, and that's what we have. What do you think? On this margin here, I can go with more of this or I can just go with a line in yellow, but I think I'm gonna go with a little bit more of the yellow in here, and I'm gonna try doing it in here. All right, it went a little bit on the animal, but it looks really, really good. In order to finish this part here, I'm going to use this silhouette of a doll. And here I'm gonna add this in the back in order for this to match with the roses in here. So this is a sticker, so pretty much what you need to do is just put it here in the spot that you like to have it, and then you're gonna come and cover that with your image.
Felt for you, oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who.
Use some of my markers. Let's do this in black. So I have my markers here, and I'm choosing this micron, and it's 0.1, so it's really, really thin, in order for me to trace the body of the doll. Here I can go like so, tiny bit, and also there. And what is important for me is I want to do the hair all over. Start for something from something, and then you're going to be improving. So don't feel frustrated if at the first sight you don't like what you did, but then you're gonna take a look at your journal, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. So look, I wasn't expecting to have something as nice as this hedgehog here, and I wasn't expecting this washi tape there with a lace, and also that collage art here. And in order to finish this, I really want to have a quote. Let me look inside here to see what I have. I love this one already. I saw it from here, or I can do adventure. What about having adventure here? Adventure and then legacy over there.
I can't go back to walking.
For adventure, and this was for legacy. It's right here, and I want to cut it a tiny bit more to make it a little bit shorter, and this is like a slanted, a quirky a little bit, so there. And I'm gonna place it probably here, legacy. Roses are the perfect flowers from the botany point of view, and if you think about them as a legacy, we can think about them as a legacy of love. So I really, really like this work, today's 2 pages, and with this amazing results, I'm gonna tell you goodbye, and I see you very, very soon in my next episode. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Also, if you love plants, I recommend you to take a look at my first or main channel that is called La Doctora de las Plantas. What do you think about this amazing 2 pages? Down below, leave me a comment. That is going to make me very, very happy, and I am going to answer you, and of course enjoy answering your comments. So this is all we have for today, and of course this is my journal Celebrate, and it's going to be closed till next time, when I'm going to be showing you another of my creative ideas. So stay tuned, subscribe, give me a like, and of course leave me a comment. I see you soon, my friends. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye, friends. And this is what we have. Bye bye.
Through all the dust.